Welcome back, class 4. This is our session 2 of Computer, chapter 4. More on logo. Students, in last session, we learned about basic logo commands, pen up command and pen down command. In today's session, we will learn about pen erase command, pen paint command, set pen color command, hide turtle command and show turtle command. First is pen erase command. The short form of pen erase command is PE. This command is used to set the pen of the turtle on erase mode. In this mode, the turtle erases lines as it moves on the screen, so that the turtle cannot be used to draw lines. Let's take one example. FD 100. So क्या होगा? Turtle move करेगा in the forward direction by 100 units. Then we used PE. So erase mode is set. BK 30. The turtle moves back by 30 units and erases the line. 100 में से 30 उसने बैक किया तो 30 यूनिट्स जितनी लाइन अपनी इरेज हो गई. 70 यूनिट्स लाइन you can see in the picture. Next is pen paint command. The short form of pen paint command is PPT. This command is used to change the erase mode to the paint mode. Students, after erasing the lines, this command is used so that the turtle starts drawing lines again. Let's see one example. This is the earlier example which we have seen. FD 100, the turtle moves forward by 100 units. PE, erase mode is set. BK 30, the turtle moves back by 30 units and erases the line. यहाँ तक हमने एग्जाम्पल देखा था. नाउ इरेज मोड से हमें पेंट मोड में करना है टर्टल को. सो वी विल यूज PPT कमांड. PPT. So paint mode is set. FD 20. So the turtle moves forward by 20 units. Let's take one example. FD 100. The turtle moves forward by 100 units. PE. Erase mode is set. BK 30. The turtle moves back by 30 units and erases the line. Now erase mode है तो हमें पेंट मोड करना रहेगा. So we will use PPT. PPT paint mode is set. FD 20. The turtle moves forward by 20 units. Students, here you can see again line draw हो गई. Next is set pen color command. The set pen color command is used to set the color of the pen of the turtle. This lets the turtle draw lines in different colors. By default जो पेन का कलर ब्लैक है उसको हम कलर चेंज कर सकते हैं. The short form of set pen color command is set PC. In order to draw colored lines, you need to specify the color code along with the set PC command. So, here are the color codes. 0 is for black color, 1 is for blue, 2 is for green, 3 is for cyan, 4 is for red, 5 is for pink color, 6 is for yellow color, 7 is for white color, and 8 is for brown color. Now let's take one example. Home. Our turtle is at the home position. Set PC 1. PC 1. 1 is for blue color. So turtle का पेन का कलर अब कौन सा हो गया? Blue. FD 100. The turtle moves forward by 100 units. Students, here you can see the line is in blue color. RT 120. The turtle turns in a clockwise direction by 120 units. Set PC 2. 2 is for green color. So, pen color changes to green. FD 100. The turtle moves forward by 100 units. RT 120. The turtle turns in a clockwise direction by 120 units. Set PC 4. 4 is for red color. So, pen color changes to red and FD 100. The turtle moves forward by 100 units. Students, here you can see the first line is of blue color, second is of green, and third is of red color. Students, you can see our cursor is at the home position. Set PC 1. Pen color changes to blue. FD 100. The turtle moves forward by 100 units. RT 120. The turtle turns in a clockwise direction by 120 units. Set PC 2. Now the pen color changes to green. FD 100. The turtle moves forward by 100 units. Here you can see in the picture. RT 120. The turtle turns in a clockwise direction by 120 units. Set PC 4. The pen color changes to red. FD 100. The turtle moves forward by 100 units. Students, you can see 3 lines of different colors, which makes a triangle. Hide turtle command. The hide turtle command is used to hide the turtle. You can use these commands after completing the drawing so that only the drawing is visible on the screen. The short form for hide turtle command is HT. Students, remember, the turtle can draw lines even when it is hidden. Here you can see the difference before using HT command and after using HT command. The turtle gets hidden and the actual drawing is visible on the screen after using HT command. Next is show turtle command. The short form of show turtle command is st. This command is used to display the turtle again on the screen. Students, you can see the last example we have executed. The main screen before ht command. Now we will use hide turtle command. Here you can see turtle hide हो गया. Now to show the turtle again we use st. Turtle displays again. Students, I hope you all have understood different logo commands which we have learned today. Here we have completed our chapter 4. I hope you enjoyed it. Do practice of all the commands. Keep practicing. Thank you.